Hi, I'm Olivia certified prosthetist orthotist with Real Life Prosthetics, and today we have a video talking about caring for your residual limb. This piece of advice is for all amputees, no matter the level. The biggest tip in this category is washing your residual limb and washing your liners. Washing should be done daily. Your residual limb and your liner can both be done with kind of pH neutral, unscented soap. There are two types of liners that exist. The first one would be a liner that has no fabric on the inside and no fabric on the outside of the liner. These liners can be hand washed under a sink with that pH neutral soap. You can get the soap on and lather the outside and lather the inside that contacts your skin. Just pat them dry and you can hang them to dry or put them on a stand and let them air dry. Liners that have fabric, you don't need to wash the outside as much. Just flip the liner inside out completely, lather it with soap, wash it, rinse it, and then pat it dry, and then it's good to go. Your socket should also be washed occasionally. You can do this just with isopropyl alcohol, spray the inside and the outside and wipe it down that way. Your residual limb is quite sensitive. You can moisturize it after you wash it. You can do that with A&D ointment or again an unscented moisturizer. Some people at this point in their routine also put on antiperspirant. That would want to be done all the night before you get ready to put your prosthesis on the next day. If you do have any skin issues that come up while you're caring for your residual limb, take a photo of it, inspect it with a mirror, and you can document when and how long you're wearing the prosthesis for before this skin issue happened, and that's helpful for the prosthetist to see. That's all for this tip about care and use. If you have any questions, please give us a call or comment on this video. Real Life Prosthetics has 5 offices across Maryland and Delaware. Have a good one.